When you export a garment from Marvelous Designer to Blender, you don't automatically get these nice 3D seams. And that's because you need to export the normal map too, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, in the top right corner, click on the simulation and select UV Editor. Now here we can see that all of the pieces of the garment are overlapping in the UV map, and we need to rearrange these so that they don't overlap. So just move them so that they roughly make up a square. Then we need to select all of these and resize the square so that it fits the 0 to 1 range here. That's the first square. Now we have the UV map arranged and we can export the OBJ. Here you need to make sure that Unified UV Coordinates is selected. So this way the normal map is exported when you select normal map here. And you can put 4K here or 2K. I use 4K for better resolution. The other settings don't really matter, and we can just export. Now back in Blender, let's delete the old object and import the new one. Now we don't see the seams yet, but don't worry. Go to the Shading tab, select the object. We see that the normal is not connected to anything here, so we need to Shift A, add a texture, image texture, and open the normal map. It should be in the same place as your OBJ. Set the color space to non-color, and then add a normal map node and connect these. And here we go. There's our seam. I hope this was useful.